Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Video Class 6th, Chapter 16, which is the last chapter which we are going to see in this year, that is current session for 6th standard. Okay, so we are almost nearby in finishing our syllabus. So let's see, and we were on question number 3. You can see question number 1 and 2. I hope there should be no problem. Okay, just conversion was there which I had explained. So now question number 3, if you can see, find the value of each of the following. 20% of rupees 150. Now these types of questions you have to use in your day-to-day life. Like what is 20% of rupees 150? So if I can say I have uh, I have 50, suppose I have 100 rupees, and if you ask 20% of 100, please lend me 20% of 100 rupees. So what I can do, 20% of 100 rupees is rupees 20. So I have to lend you rupees 20. Okay. So when you go for a sale, they never tell that this much amount is reduced, or they say 10% discount. 10% discount means whatever price is there of that article. So 10% of that article's price. Suppose you are purchasing a dress of rupees 1000 rupees. So if it is said that there is a discount of 10%, what does it mean? 10% of rupees 1000. So that you have to find. How you will find 10% of rupees 1000? Means how much money is reduced out of 1000, that you will come to know when you know the 10% of 1000. Okay, so 10% of 1000, if suppose 100 is there, so 1000 minus 100, you will get the dress in 900 rupees. So I hope you are understanding where you are utilizing percent in your day-to-day life. Okay, so let us see. Not all the time you are purchasing dress and you are getting discounts there, but other things are also there, percent. Okay, so at present we'll see, find the value of each of the following. 20% of rupees 150. So 20% of rupees 150, you can see here 20%. I can write 20% means 20 out of 100, so I have written is 20 out of 100, that is 20 by 100. 20% I can write it as 20 by 100. Off means multiplication and 150 rupees. Off means multiplication, this you already know. So 20 ones are 20, 25s are 5 ones are 5 30s are. So this cancellation you know very well now, so you can do it by yourself. Otherwise I have already explained. 20 ones are 25s are 5 3s are 15, this 5 3s are 15, and this 5 zeros are 0. So 1 into 30, 30. So rupees 30. Suppose if my one article is of 150 rupees and I am getting discount of 20%. So what is 20% of 150? 20% of 150 is 30 rupees. So I'll get this article of 150 in 120 rupees because 30% discount is given. This is the example which I have given you. Okay, so there you have to utilize. Next is 90% of 130. 90% I can write 90 upon 100 multiplied by 130. So 0 with this 0 cancel, 0 with this 0 cancel. 9 into 13, 117. So now 117. What is 90% of 130? 117. Okay. 15% of 2 minutes. So 2 minutes I have converted into 120 seconds because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So 2 minutes equals to 120 seconds. So 15 upon 100, you know 15%, I can write 15 upon 100 multiplied by, off becomes multiplication, 120. 0 with 0 gets cancelled. 5 3s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are. So 3 6s are 18 seconds. Similarly, 7.5% of 500 kg. 7.5 upon 100 multiplied by 500 kg. So 7.5 multiplied by 100 upon 100. 100 ones are 100 fives are. 7.5 into 5, 37.5 kg. Okay, easy it is. Just go through it. Now question number 4. Now let's see question number 4. If a man spends 70% of his income, what percent does he save? You know, now at present you are studying percentage out of 100%. Okay. So if total percentage is 100%, if a man is spending 70% of his income, means out of 100%, if man is spending 70%, how much he is saving? I hope you are understanding. So amount spent by a man 70%. His total income is 100%. Okay, it is not given. You have to assume that it is 100% because we are talking about percent, and maximum percent we can take is only 100%. So money saved is 100% minus 70%, which is equal to 30%. Very easy, but only thing is you should understand total income which is not given, that is 100%, because percent we always find out of 100% only. Next question is question number 5. A girl gets 65 marks out of 80. Okay. What percent marks does she get? Now nothing is given, only it is given that total marks were 80. Out of 80, a girl is getting 65 marks. Okay. What percent marks does she get? Means out of 80, if 65% is given, or if 55%, if 65 marks are given, what is the percentage, what is the score? Okay. So marks scored by a girl is 65, total marks is 80, her percentage is, I don't know, so I have to find percentage. Means out of 80 I have scored, that girl is scored 65. So in percentage I have to find this 65 marks. Let us see how. So her percentage is out of 80, 65. So 65 upon 80. See, out of 80 she has scored 65. So you have to write it in this way: 65 upon 80 multiplied by 100%. 0 with 0 gets cancelled. 2 5s are 2 4s are 65 into 65, 325 upon 4. See, I have multiplied 65 by 5. I have got 325. 4 denominator nothing. So 4 ones are 4. So 325 divided by 4, 81.25. So if you have scored out of 65 marks, means you have got 81.25%. That's your percentage. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6, you will see a class contains 25 children, of which 6 are girls. What percentage of the girls are boys? A class contains 25 children, of which 6 are girls. Means total 25 children, out of which 6 are girls. Means rest are boys. So 25 children, out of which 6 are girls. Means 25 minus 6 will give you number of boys. What percentage of class are the boys? So very easy. Number of girls 6, percentage, so total number of children 25, number of girls 6, percentage of boys we don't know, but number of boys I can find because total number of children I have and girls I have. So 25 minus 6 gives 19. So what is 19? Number of boys. Okay. So percentage of boys is 19 out of 25, because total is to be written at the denominator always. So 19 upon 25 multiplied by 100. Just 25 ones are 25 fours are 19 fours are 76%. So 76% of the students are boys and only 24% are girls. Okay. So last question of this season, we are going to see question number 15. Rest no need to solve. Okay. So evaluate 30% of 200 plus 20% of 450 minus 25% of 600. Very easy. 30% of 200, you can see I have written 30%. I can write 30 upon 100 multiplied. Why multiplied? Because off is there. 200 plus 20%. I can write 20 upon 100. Off means multiplication. 450 as it is minus 25%, I can write 25 upon 100. Of means multiplication, 600. Okay. And now solve the way you solve, means cancellation. 100 ones are 100 twos are. Here also cancellation, 20 ones are 25s are, 5 ones are 5 nines are 45, and this 0. Okay. Here 100 ones are 106. Okay. Or you can just 0 0 0 0 cancel, 1 6 are 6 you can do. So 32s are 60 plus as it is 190s are 90 minus 25 6 are 150. So add all those who are positive. So 90 plus 60, 150, right? 9 plus 6, 15, and minus 150. So 150 minus 150, 0. Okay. And last question I would like to give 15th one, second one. I've solved and I have given this as a homework. Okay, this is homework. You have to solve it by yourself. And today's homework is resolve all the questions of this exercise. Exercise 16B, resolve all the questions within 2 days. And now we have finished the syllabus completely. Whatever was important, I have tried to extract it, children, and we will stop our syllabus here. And from tomorrow, please, I'll try to take some revision questions and explain some revision points. But please do send your queries. If you have doubt in any type of questions, you're most welcome. But to make video, please send your doubts as soon as possible so that it will be cleared as soon as possible. Through videos, I would like to clear them through explanation. So if you have any doubt, please send your questions. Okay. And please start studying and take care of yourself. Thank you so much.